Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set business hours in LiveChat. All right. Key things to keep in mind. Make sure that you have the upgraded version of LiveChat because you won't be able to set the working days or the business hours for your agents if you only have the free trial. Okay. So going back, let's go ahead and go to the left panel right here and click on Team. Click on it. And once done, once you click on an agent, you'll be able to see the Get Feature option in here. If you already got the upgraded version, well, you won't have to click on this Get Feature button, okay? You'll be able to set the working hours by agent right here in the right panel. Or there's an availability setting right here or hyperlink that you can just easily click. Now, going back in the right panel, just select the availability settings option. Now you can go ahead and set this up too, according to working hours, okay? You'll have that option as well when you click on this drop down under status, according to working hours. Now going back, just click on set working hours. Now in here, you'll be able to select days of the week and assign working hours to them, okay? For example, 7 a.m. to 3:45 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday off, Thursday working again, Friday work again. Okay. And once that's done, you will have the save button. And after that, you're good to go. That is it. That is how you set business hours in LiveChat. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.